Once again, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with another deck which is Osho Zen Tarot. It comes in two forms. Basically, this one is a bigger one and this one is a smaller version. This has been discontinued by the publisher, and if you are getting any of this, then please take care that it might be a clone. So if you are buying, please check it out and buy from authentic sources only. On Amazon, people are selling copy of this. So let's start. Here comes the booklet, and this guidebook is quite bigger in size as compared to the normal one. If you are interested in learning this deck, then don't go to anyone, just buy this version and you can start learning from the book itself. You will find each card is explained here. Let's move on to the cards. The cards size will remain the same whether you buy the big one or the small one. The only difference between both of these are that of the guidebook. So let me show you the cards. First we have the major arcanas. Let's start this back of each card. The rainbow colored diamond shows that it's a suit of pentacles. Suit of sword has been replaced by this silver color, which is named as the suit of cloud in this deck. Or you can also call it the suit of air, which represents the mind. Suit of cup has been replaced by the suit of water in this deck, which is depicted by blue color, and it shows the emotional side of life. I like the artwork of this deck. And this is one of the best selling deck. The red diamond shows the suit of fire, or you can say the suit of wand. in any of the traditional deck. These are the major arcana cards now. So let's shuffle the cards and be ready with your question. Here comes our first card. This is the second one, and the third one is here. Have a question in your mind and choose any of these. Thank you for watching the video. To place an order, you can directly visit to our website, or you can contact us on WhatsApp. That is 9999661035. And if you want me to make any of the video, then do let me know in comment section. I will try my best to make it as soon as possible.